mister. I was thinking of putting a picture I bought, police officer, crook one, crook police officer, or even one, which one? So from the door somebody. Does not make me stupid, does not make me a faggot, okay? It does not make me a wimp. You think it's a wimp? I mean, you take order from somebody because you're scared, right? That make you a wimp. Yes, he's clean. You take order for ananas. Don't be a wimp. Maybe I don't think that she's getting there. Maybe she's getting back maybe. She decided here have a school for ducks. Prefer school for ducks. Like, she's getting, I don't see on my computer no more. You are doing. Who's you are doing? What's you are doing exactly? What are the condition that you are doing? Oh, this bad. This angle is bad. Not that bad. Am I wearing all Mexicans again? No, I don't think there's one all Mexicans again. What's really the definition of wimp? Define wimp for yourselves. It was a wimp. It's like very difficult. Do you like this alone? Escuelas para perros y los voy a educar. Oh, they say something in English, Need no education, right? They need no education. They say, well, just listen. I'm about to educate you, like it or not like it. You need an education, because you don't learn, you will never learn. Maybe you are an old dog that cannot learn new tricks. Maybe you are one of those. You cannot learn new tricks. You are way too old that you are about to go 6 feet down, right? You're about to die yourself, right? You can learn new tricks. You can learn new tricks. You're still young enough, right? At least hard, right? Okay. I'm recording. Let's play around. I find a way to make money. Who's willing to patrociniate my show? Is that good angle right there? I don't know what's gonna come on the other one. Let's see like my image there how it looks. And I don't feel much right that night. We're ready this thing. Let me check. Oh, who's that clown? TV, paint his face. He probably hate my gas. Who's that clown on television? What's his name? That talks about politics, that he hate my guts, that he call me hypocrite, that he thinks that I'm a hypocrite. What his name, that clown? No, I'm not picking up how he's saying. It's a question. That he thinks I'm fake, right? Oh, you don't know that different? Okay. Okay, it's fine. That's not. Escuelas para perros. Escuelas para perros. EDUCACION. Interesting, huh? No, don't do that to anybody else. Yes, it's gonna be too long. No, I'm supposed to like this thing. Because the sound this way. No. Shoot this thing, the white cable with wire guy. I just did that work almost too long. Anyway, you got whatever you got, you don't have for the most advanced thing, just whatever you got here. I mean, I know that message keep pretty right. No, here's that perfect here. Pass on you. That's my salary now. No, come here, because neither you don't know the facts. Come on, baby. Preach whenever we will preach. Preach for the preacher like Apostle Paul. Why did Apostle Paul did to Peter? He was with Saint Jews, Apostle Peter, he was with Jews. He was with the Gentiles. Well, Apostle Paul rebuked Apostle Peter for a certain thing, right? Yeah, Apostle Paul rebuked him. Apostle Peter. Who would be good to rebuke here? Rebuke. Not in the scripture, Also, I mean, we can rebuke, right? Who's a good choice to rebuke? Raise your hand, you got a choice to rebuke here. The prophets, apostles, so-called preachers. We can rebuke. And why? Tell me. No, I'm not being your messenger. I ask you a question, your own. No, I'm not possible. Don't confuse. This is just me, myself. I was talking about a clown, that paint his face, and come on television, like I'm talking about politics, judging the preachers, Preacher, I don't know, that's talking about politics. I heard somebody talking about it. I tried to watch it several times, but I was not very successful watching his show, The preacher real hypocrites, He don't like hypocrites. What's his name, that guy? The clown on television. It's not clown, but no, I don't hate him or anything. I kind of scold at that guy, I think, seriously. What's his name? If he's watching, I don't know. I just wonder. I never figured out what they were a joke. No, I mean, that one is he's not young to me, promise. The cash, you got the name Cash, It's a cash. Yeah. Let's say that thing. I don't know how he's real now, I don't know him. No, I'm not sure who he is. Probably different television or internet and in real life, right? Maybe I can make a guess who he is by a different name, right? No. Okay. I'm not talking about that. I'm not saying he's a family thing, okay? Yeshua, is he Caro Quintero? I gotta ask that question. No respect at home. What he expecting, What he doing? When I done wrong? So he has an order to arrest me for what? Under what charges? Scared of him? He's Caro Quintero, the same Juan Ulua, and me scared of him? Why should I be scared of him? Because he was on the Navy? Navy? You know how people call the people in the Navy? But what he said, I mean, when I was, raising my hand, like, becoming U.S. citizen. No, he was at there up front, talking about the Navy. He's from the Navy. I don't mean to pick on the Navy, okay? But he's saying, I'm not saying all the army and the Navy are like that, okay? But probably some or many. But what I heard, I still remember a friend that said, oh, let's go in the Navy because they're faggots to fuck, One friend said to me, I got surprised. I mean, that guy talking about that thing, yeah. I mean, no, hey, faggots, okay? Don't misunderstand. I'm not faggot. Believe me, okay? He had a superior who's Honolulu's superior. Las Mentes. Oh, I know what recording the other one. Jeez. another picture again. See that recording at WhatsApp. This thing goes off and then it stays off in the recording and go to the air, While I say, man, and they blew it at there, When it goes at there, accidentally. I didn't think I want to record this. This was not a recording in purpose. We're recording about 30 minutes now. Well, okay. Sounds good anyway. We record, right? Stop it.